As you can see, the tire is pretty empty. And let's fill it up real quick. It's kind of lucky that it happened next to my workshop or my workplace. Otherwise I would have to pump with a hand, which some of you do have to do. Let's have a look. I've already rotated to the right place. I don't know if you can see it. There's a bubbles here. There's a small whole tire is already quite worn out. As you can see, there's here as well. But these will leak for a long time before you lose a 1 bar even. That may be a bit less. But that tire is of course worn out. I should already swap it. But I did have a small gash in it. And it doesn't make any bubbles because it's that big of a hole. Let me be quiet for a second and you can maybe hear it spray. We're gonna use the string method. What it is like rubber stick. It's quite sticky. If it's dry, it doesn't have these. It's gonna be more like one piece, which then it's too old. That is already a bit getting old a bit, but it's not that bad yet. It's quite good. I always have these stored away in my bike. As you can see, they have been already used. I've been used them on cars, motorcycles and whatnot. Now the key is we want to shove that through the hole. We want to turn it in, push and turn it in at the same time, and then we want to use these sharp edges to clean the hole. But make sure you don't push over your bike. It's on center stand right now for me. It's more stable on the... If you push it too far, obviously you're gonna hit the rim, so we're not gonna go too far. Damn it, I put up too much. So that's what we want to do. You want to clean the hole, prep the hole. Damn it, I keep pulling it out, my bad. If you actually want to pull it out, you lose all the air. So, I would say that's quite nice. What it does, it preps the hole the right diameter. And now, let's prep one of our sticks. It's nice and sticky. Now getting that through that hole is not that bad. Well, wasn't actually that bad, but let's see how are we gonna get through that. I don't think I ever had to do it next side of the road with my bike, but I have had done that with a car. There we go. Get right in the middle. Nice. And now what you want to do is, we're gonna pull it out, then we're gonna serve it in this gently first to plug the small hole, then prep ourselves and shove it all the way almost to here, pretty much, that the small gap is left. Just like that. And that's the quite heavy part, so maybe you want to support with your leg. In it goes. You don't want to twist that one. And I would say about there is nice, and then we want to pull out, not super fast, but one constant motion. And that is very nice, I would say. I usually let it a few minutes, give it a few minutes of, I wouldn't say it works its magic, but it does something. Just put these away. More air. We can check with the soapy water. We still have a tiny bit from the side, which we just has to manage. It's probably because it is a bit old, that rubber thing. But that will catch you where you need to go. At the end, we just use a knife or a piece of pliers and we just cut some of the extra off. Usually it's nice to leave a small, so when you ride it kind of squashes it. If you cut too close, it doesn't have much room to squash it. But yes, that's how you repair it. But that tire is obviously seen its days. I was actually hoping to ride it until it goes same way, because it gets a slash and opens it up, so I could show you how it's done. But do not ride very fast with these tires. That should be just used to get to the workshop, especially on a bike, especially on a front wheel. And I'm also going to garage. I'm gonna go to my workshop, ride it there, take it easy. I'm not gonna go over 80, maybe 75 max. It will handle it, it will definitely handle it. But just to be safe, I'll take it easy. Hopefully you don't have to go through this, but it's nice to have this set of tools always ready in your bike. You might not always have all these soapy waters and whatnot. You might just use regular water, spit, whatever you have. Some juice. Do not use any oils, other chemicals like that might interfere. Even the soap might interfere with that a little bit, but you have to. But I use it quite lightly. Yeah, but if you use your water, make sure you have enough drinking water, because out there, if you pump with your hand pump, it's gonna get really tiring and really sweaty. So you don't want to work up your heat exhaustion or whatnot. In the bike gear, it's quite heavy to pump these up, but that's how you do it. All right. Thanks for watching.